Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert an image to PDF file. Now in order for us to get started, let's go ahead and here in Google click this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and open document and click blank document right here in the top. Now what I'm going to do is turn this image right here, or put this image right here in the PDF file. So first, to do that one, I have this file here. I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it here just like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a title here at the top. So I'm just going to put the title here. I'm going to go ahead and rename, copy, and then put it here at the top. There you go. I'm going to put it in the middle and then maybe increase the size of this one. Yeah, once that's done, I can go ahead and click the file here and then download and then choose a PDF document. And there you go. Click open that one. As you can see now, this is a PDF file. So that everybody's how you are going to convert an image to PDF file.